Welcome to ELECTROONEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about LM317 voltage regulator IC, complete details, working principle, advantages. The LM317 voltage regulator is one of the most popular adjustable voltage regulator ICs used in electronics. It allows you to get a stable output voltage that you can set according to your needs. Basic overview. Type: adjustable linear voltage regulator. Output voltage range: 1.25 volts to 37 volts. Input voltage: up to 40 volts max. Output current: up to 1.5 ampere with proper heat sink. Pin configuration: the LM317 has 3 pins. Pin 1: input, supply voltage input. Pin 2: output, regulated output voltage. Pin 3: adjust, used to set output voltage. Working principle: the LM317 maintains a constant 1.25 volts reference voltage between the output and adjust pins. By using 2 resistors, you can set the desired output voltage. Basic circuit components. To use LM317, you typically need 2 resistors for voltage setting. Input capacitor, 0.1 F recommended. Output capacitor, 1 F recommended. Heat sink for high current. Key features: adjustable output voltage, built-in thermal overload protection, short circuit protection, safe operating area protection, high ripple rejection. Advantages. Here are the main advantages of LM317. Number 1. Adjustable output. You can set any voltage between 1.25 volts to 37 volts. Very flexible compared to fixed regulators like 7805. Number 2. Simple design. Requires only a few external components. Easy for beginners and DIY projects. Number 3. Built-in protection. Overheating protection. Current limiting. Short circuit protection. Backhand index pointing right. This makes it very reliable. Number 4. Good stability. Provides stable and smooth DC output. Reduces noise and ripple. Number 5. Widely available. Cheap and easily available in markets, including Karachi electronics markets. Number 6. Versatile applications. Used in variable power supplies, battery chargers, LED drivers, adjustable current regulators. Disadvantages important: low efficiency, linear regulator wastes heat, requires heat sink for high current, not suitable for high power switching applications. Common applications: adjustable DC power supply, battery charger circuits, voltage regulator in DIY electronics, current limiter circuits. Comment below the video and let us know which component details you want to see in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, as a support to grow my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my video, and you can also get every upcoming update about my new video on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like those. Thanks for watching.